Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Google AI Studio language. So since it is already linked to your Google account, we need to change the language in your Google account. So head on, open new tab and then write myaccount.google.com and then search for personal info and then search for language. As you can see here, now you can change language. Press on this and then select the language that you want to change to, and that's it. Another way is to just write the prompt and then either to write it in your preferred language or to write it in English and then tell him to respond in the language that you want, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.